Hello and welcome to this new video series, Mastering UI Table Views. As you guys might already know, that table views are used throughout iOS framework, and there are several examples that you can see in your day-to-day apps, like your Contacts app uses table views to show you all the contacts, and it has the search functionality as well as the indexed table, and as well as your settings page. And as you can see, this is another example of table view, but this has sections involved, and then you have your filtered results. So this is what we'll be creating. So we'll be creating a table view search and section table view and various other examples. Now, what are table views? So table views display list of items that can be scrolled up and down. So it's part of scroll view. It's one of the subclass of scroll view. UI scroll view, and it can be scrolled vertical direction only. Now if you're looking for multi-direction, either vertical or horizontal, then that is a UI collection view, and that's a topic of like whole another series that we can actually we can talk like in details about. But this particular series is about UI table views. So we're only going to be seeing UI table views and various different ways to create UI table views. Now table views contains cells that can be of for standard types, or they can be customized based on the need of the app, and that's another thing that we are going to be looking at. So we're going to be using one of these standard type quite a lot, and then we're going to customize, or we're going to create our own customized cell, and we're going to look at different ways of formatting it along with auto layout. All right. So for table views to work, it will have to conform two protocols. It's UI table view data source and UI table view delegate. Okay. So these two protocols are provide some functionalities that you as a developer needs to build in order to make table view work and display your data. All right. So let's get started, and in our next video we'll create a very simple table view and see it in action. All right. Thanks, and see you guys in the next video.